Thank you very much for visiting me again. Today we will know 21 tips to organize and conduct an effective meeting. Tip 1. Decide the target objective of the meeting. 2. Plan out the structure and the flow of the meeting. 3. Fix date, time and venue. 4. Send meeting requests to required audience minimum 5-6 days in advance so that they can plan themselves accordingly. 5th. Circulate meeting agenda to all in advance so they are prepared. 6th. Specify to the participant what is expected from them for the meeting. 7th. Prepare yourself for it. 8th. Give others time to prepare for the same. 9th. Reach the venue 15 to 30 minutes prior to the scheduled time to avoid last moment rush. 10th. Ensure conference room is well equipped for uninterrupted meeting. 11. Welcome and address the participants. 12. Communicate rules, if any. Stick to the timelines from start to end. Encourage focused participation and exchange of views. 15th. Ensure minutes of the meetings are taken simultaneously by a reliable source to avoid skipping anything important. 16th. Assign project and assignments to right participants. 17. Conclude the meeting with majority cordiality. 18. Summarize with important takeaway and question and answer session. 19. Thank audience for their time and engagement. 20th. Circulate minute of the meeting within 24 hours of the completion of the meeting. And the last but not the least, follow up and monitor status of assigned projects. Must watch my video on what are presentation skills. Details are given in the card above and description box below. Thank you very much for your time. Please like, view, share and subscribe to One Door HR. Please follow us on YouTube, Facebook and Pinterest. You can also visit us on www.onedoorhr.com.